Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy the Shih Tzu token easily yourself. So I'm on CoinMarketCap right here, and here you can find some information. When you go to contracts, you can see that it's running on the Ethereum network. If you don't know what this means, don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step in this tutorial. The first thing you want to do, go to metamask.io, make sure you use one of the supported browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Brave or Edge, and then install MetaMask. So for me it's Chrome. It is a Chrome extension and it is a virtual wallet. So once you've installed it, go to extensions and go to MetaMask and set up your account. Once you've set it up, go to the networks and make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. That's important. It will look like this with a balance of Ethereum. So in order to buy these Shih Tzu tokens, we first have to deposit Ethereum and then later change it to Shih Tzu. So go ahead and copy your account, and this is your address, and we are going to add some Ethereum. And for that we need Coinbase. So Coinbase is a great platform. It's the most used cryptocurrency platform out there. We are going to send some to our wallet. So if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you can create it through the link in the description down below and even get a $10 Bitcoin bonus, which is it's great. So you can go ahead and add some funds and buy some Ethereum, then go to send and receive, pay with Ethereum, boom, and then you want to go to MetaMask, copy, and then paste it in here, and as you can see now it will see Ethereum address, selected amount, and you can leave the note, then hit continue. So I don't have enough balance, but if you do, it will be deposited into your MetaMask within seconds. Like, it doesn't take any time. And once it's in here, you can go to a website called Uniswap, uniswap.org, and now we're going to swap it into the Shih Tzu. Go to use Uniswap, boom, go to select a token, and then type in Shih, and here it is, import, boom, and then entering the amount, for example 1, and we can buy it from here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.